Up for sale, I got a 1969 Caprice 4-door, very rare, number matching 427, 335 horsepower, turbo 400, factory AC, power steering, power brakes with front disc, hideaway headlights. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Caprice, hard top, so no post, 4-door, 427 number matching, turbo 400 trans, 427 number matching. I mean, I think that's the coolest thing. Let me pop the hood since I keep talking about it. So 427, 335 horsepower, number matching, factory AC. You see the power brakes. It has front disc, power steering, very original engine compartment. The car is unmolested, primarily untouched, 93,000 original miles, give or take. Where's my camera? There we go. There you go, get a better look at it here. And hideaway headlights. Crap. Trim tags in place down there. Let me tell you a little bit about it. I have 4 owners documented worth of paperwork, protecto plate, verification of the number matching motor, rally wheels, white wall tires. Gives it that little sporty look. I mean, it's sporty nonetheless with the white and the blue with the hideaway. It has a great look. It is a one repaint, but it's a very recent one repaint in very, very nice condition. Not too many flaws on it. No rust on the body, which is all original. No patchment panels. No Bondo. The underneath has no patchment panels and no rust. I know you see a little thin layer of dust. I put it out here and get dusted on. Go back to this side of the hood. Like I said, protecto plate, ownership paperwork, 4 years, sold new in Kansas, and from Kansas, Minnesota. Chrome's probably original, but in very nice condition. Not too many flaws on it. A couple of like little scratches on it, and just very faint little white pitting in certain areas, but nice nonetheless. All the glass is in very nice condition. I know I got all the windows down, but all the glass is really nice. They go up and down as they should. I'm going to have them open on the other side of the pictures. I kept them down for the first, so here. An example. Interior is all original. I have the same thing with the 67 Caprice that I had. But this interior is very clean. The carpet's clean. The bench seats are clean. I know there's like a little seam in this one right there that came undone. Dash is very nice. The wood grain accents. All of this in here is in super nice condition. There you go. See, 93,900 miles. Couple cracks on the dash pad. Again, it's the original dash pad. Headliner's original too. I'll show you that. And there's a little tiny little hole up there. You could probably see it. In nice condition. The other one that I had that was original, that was actually giant rips and seams in it. Nice door jamb. Painted nicely. When they painted it, they really did a good job. No overspray. They painted the door jambs properly. Turbo 400 transmission, 12-bolt posi rear. Again, original bench seat, so a little seam in there, right there, about 4 inches. Carpet's nice and clean, though. Again, that's the thing. You wonder, it's got the third set of seat belts. They tucked it down because they wanted to keep it 2-seater in the front, seatbelt wise. Nice door jamb. You know what? I'm going to grab the... Oh, I got the key in my pocket. I'm going to show you the trunk. Another awesome part of the preservation. The white on top is a great accent with the white stripe. I mean, that back window's in excellent condition. All the glass is perfect. There are not too many chips on the car either. I mean, I would be pointing them out as I see them. No rust anywhere in these lower quarters. Again, it's original. I mean, Yeah, that's original. Being underneath it, you see it's the original inners of the rear quarters. Fitment of the trunk is really nice again. And I'm going to pop the trunk open and show you that. Now here is the all original untouched trunk. Okay. Nice underhood. You got the original jacking instructions and a caution sticker. That's original. So this more than likely is original paint. But it's for the trunk. This is original. This is that original spatter paint from the factory. This isn't that out of a can bowl that you buy and you see everybody use. This is your original. This isn't even touched with. This isn't even like painted anywhere. With what I believe is the original spare, which is the dual line bias ply spare. You see the jack up there and the tire iron down there. But this is the trunk. Trunk's amazing. I mean, if you wanted to put a mat in there, that's all you need. But me personally, I want to show off the glory of this trunk and how pristine it is. It has dual exhaust, which sounds pretty good. I mean, the 427 definitely going to give it a little rumble. Like I said, 12-bolt posi rear. I'm going to squeeze by this. Big car. I had to jam it on the platform. And the only really thing wrong with the paint is there's just a little grouping of pimples in the paint, like they didn't sand it down. So right here, a little grouping of pimples. But the rest of the car, I mean, there's not even really chips on it. No chips, definitely no scratches, no dents. And the body being all original, very straight. Very, very straight, which is nice to see on a big car like this. Even this back portion is nice. This is always getting beat on by the sun. Original, very nice condition. So it will be up for sale later today. I don't want to drag this on too long. I mean, you've seen the meat and potatoes of the car. Another nice door jimmy. Again, the interior is all original. The wood grain on this door panel is perfect. Likewise, the others. Very well-maintained car. And even the seat cover. The seat doesn't even look like pressed down. How that one ripped, I'm not really sure. Maybe they were skinny people and they had a knife in their back pocket. Because it doesn't look like overly satin. Like I said, up for sale later today. 69 Caprice, 4-door hardtop, number matching 427, 335 horsepower, turbo 400 automatic, which is the original transmission of the car. 12-bolt posi rear, power steering, power brakes with front disc, factory AC. We're going to fire it up right now. You hear it. We're going to drive it around the block so you can see it go. And yeah, that's about it. Actually, a couple little bubbles right in this section here I'm noticing. So those are really the only things wrong with the paint. Like I said, there's no rust bubbles, no rust, no Bondo, no replacement panels, no patchment panels, you know. 93,900 original miles. Protecto plate, 4 owner documented, Kansas, new, sold. There you go. Oh, hideaway headlights. Again, thanks for watching. We're going to fire it up now and then take it for a cruise. Thank you. Alright, here we are. Here's the 427, number matching, 335 horsepower. You see the power brakes with the front disc, the factory AC, and the power steering pump is down there. We're going to fire it up right now when he sees the thumbs up.